Info-roids. As we continue on our quest to get to know our solar system better, we come to the fifth planet, Jupiter. We do have 5 facts about Jupiter for you to digest. Number 1. Jupiter is one of the 2 gas giants in the Solar System, comprises primarily of hydrogen and helium at an approximate ratio of 90 to 10% respectively. Jupiter is one big gaseous pole, so much so if you try to land on the planet's surface, you would be so disappointed. What scientists consider the surface of Jupiter is a point where the atmosphere pressure at in equivalent to Earth's. Number 2. Largest moon of Jupiter's 67 moons. The one that seems to stand up most is Ganymede. Chances are, it makes the biggest impression, because it's the largest known moon within the Solar System. At 3,270 miles or 5,268 kilometers wide, Ganymede is near like twice the size of the Earth's moon. This oversized Ganymede moon is so large that is the 8th largest object in the Solar System, coming in just behind Mars, and it's ahead of Saturn's moon time. Number 3. The biggest planet, Infarction, is quite larger than every other planet in the Solar System. Jupiter comes in with a radius of 43,441 miles or 69,911 kilometers, which is almost 10,000 miles or 16,000 kilometers larger than the next larger planet Saturn, but 2.5 times of all the other planets in the Solar System combined. Number 4. The Great Red Spot. One of the Jupiter's prominent features is the Great Red Spot. Astronomers have been observing it continuously since about 1830, but unconfirmed observations of what might have been the red spot go back to the 17th century. Is anyone's case how old the spot actually is. But even at 2 centuries it's hard to imagine of how a single storm can red for so long. But it has. But it's also changed to cross time and may even be dying. In the 21st century the spot has been absorbed to be shrinking and even fleeting. The small parts of its edges, this could mean that the storm is winding down. But equally possible is that it may flow back up and continue to red on for centuries. Number 5. 5 times farther. If you look at the map of the Solar System, you'll find that Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are relatively to one another and all within 150 miles or 249 million kilometers from the Sun. Then there's Jupiter, which is just hard to be completely different and separated itself from the initial planetary quarters by approximately 300 million miles or 482 million kilometers, and its closest proximity, Jupiter, is around 460 million miles or 741 kilometers from the Sun, making it nearly 5 times far away from the Sun than Earth. Its extended distance means Jupiter takes just around 12 Earth years to orbit the Sun.